Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to Beemer Fam. You guys join me here with my straight pipe BMW M4, and today we're gonna be terrorizing the streets of Los Angeles, and we're gonna be hitting a few cars and coffee events in the process. We have about 2 cars and coffee events to hit this morning. So with less being said, let's hop inside the car and get on the road. So the first meet is out in the canyons by La Canada, and the next meet is Sunset GT at the Peterson Museum. So with less being said, let's pull up to the first meet and see what kind of cars are there. The views out here are insane. What kind of super driver is that? What was that? Super driver ran me off the road, bro. We're in one of my favorite places out in Southern California, La Canada, Flint Ridge. Nice little small town beneath some of the best driving roads in the world. So we're about 1 minute away from the event. Let's go ahead, pull up, park up, and see what kind of cars are here. So just like that, we got the M4 parked up, still dirty. I have not washed this car in at least a month. With that being said, it's still pretty clean, relatively speaking. So it's likely this is the red Super that kind of was driving a little wild. It looks like the meet is all out here. We're gonna walk around, see what kind of cars are here, you know, just feel the vibe. Check out this pair of E30 M3s. You guys might excuse me, the highway is literally right there. And this one we've seen before a few times on the channel. It's just a perfect spec if you ask me. We got our first cop at this event. Hopefully the vibes are chill. Listen to that M8. If you guys are interested in this meet, it's called Cars and Connections out in La Canada, Flint Ridge. So they got coffee, little pastries. It's a nice vibe. Shortly here, we're gonna hop back inside the M4 and get back on the road. Look at that Porsche. Definitely got some kind of exhaust on it. That G80 sounded nice. Well, it's that time of the meet where everybody's getting active. Nice 458. We're gonna go ahead and cruise for a bit, and then we're gonna head over to Sunset GT in West Hollywood. Woo, SF90. Oh, let's go. Chase him down. Say less. Oh yeah. Woo! Yeah. epic convoy. Woo! And to be riding with cars like this, in a car like this, with views like this. I'm giving this car all it's got, and these guys are pulling. I mean, wow. Woo. Man. Don't get me wrong, M4 handles superb, but it's in these moments where you can see the performance of a GT3 and an SF90. I'm sure in a straight line speed, the M4 is not that far off of a GT3, but in corners, I mean, just right there, you can really see how much of a gap there is as far as handling performance from an M4 versus a Porsche GT3 versus an SF90. There we go. See? Wow. I'll tell you what, now that I'm warmed up, the tires got warmed up too. The M4's starting to keep up with these guys. Would love to pull off and see these things closer up, but also just check out the views out here in Southern California. I mean, you got the cars, the mountains, clear blue skies. Woo! Yeah! Oh my God. Wow. We got the M4 parked up, and you can see this beautiful Tiffany blue GT3 in the flesh. Obviously the views out here are just insane. So this right here is a SF90 in a yellow color. It's absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Not only is it not every day that you see one of these cars, it's not every day you see one of these cars actually driven and used properly. I mean, look at the front end. You got bugs, carbon fiber.
Excuse me? What kind of pressure do you have? 30 in the front.
Wow, just to randomly come across an SF90 and a GT3 in the canyons, and they know how to drive. It's nice to see how well the M4 can keep up with cars like that. So after we enjoy some of these peaceful and beautiful views, we're gonna head over to Sunset GT out in Hollywood. It's supposed to be one of the biggest car events in LA for the entire year, so we definitely gotta check it out. So with less being said, let's hop inside the M4 and get on the road. out some what kind of cars in here. First things first, we're gonna go ahead and buy some coffee. Leaving the event, you can see we have crowds for days. I mean, there's literally people everywhere. Let me go ahead and get a conversation nice and quiet. But first, we're gonna give a couple revs. We're gonna do nothing crazy, but shout out to that subscriber who yelled out Beemer Fam, but now we're about to hop back on the road and see what else we can get into today. Now that we got the M4 parked up, you can see how dirty this car is right now. I mean, oh, that's bad. Really see, we haven't cleaned this thing in a long time. I kind of like the look though, because it kind of gives it a little bit more character with the dirt. That'll just about do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.